Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 ornaments made using Dollar Tree products that are all under $5 and under 5 minutes to make. So if you want to see how I made these, then keep on watching. So for this project, all you're going to need, quite simply, is a bag of the vase filler from Dollar Tree. I'm using this one because I want the little white balls, but they do also carry it in traditional colors and silver and gold. You're gonna need a pair of socks from Dollar Tree, some small little tiny ribbon. This is from Joann Fabrics. There's my puppy right here, so if you're wondering what's making that noise, it's him. He's angry because he wants to eat what I have up there. And then they sell these big bags of paintbrushes, and they come in all different sizes. So I have some 3-inch here and some that are 2-inch. So you also need a glue gun, and that's literally it. This is probably the simplest project you will make. So all I'm going to do here is take a paintbrush and I'm going to slide the sock over the top. And when I get down to where the metal starts, I'm just going to fold it up. See, I folded it. It's hard to tell, but I did fold it. So it makes like a little extra wide. Now you're going to want to hot glue it down right on this metal part, and then you're going to take his nose and slide it right up underneath the sock. And then just to show you what it would look like on a 3-inch, I do the same thing. I'm putting the heel of the sock to the back, and I'm just sliding it over, and I have also folded it nose right underneath and kind of stick it up underneath the sock. So then up here on either one of these, you're going to want to take some ribbon and just tie it off. You can do this pretty haphazardly. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's gonna make a little bow. You can also do this with twine. So there's that. And his little nose underneath there. So let me get these glued down and we'll come back. Okay, so making both of these took me less than even 3 minutes to do. So here's our little 2-inch gnome. And I've used a smaller vase filler ball for that one. And then here is our 3-inch. And I've used a bigger vase filler ball for him. So I just wanted to show you guys an alternative to using the mops to make the gnomes, because all of a sudden the mops can no longer be found in the store, and my presumption is because literally everyone is making gnome heads out of them. So I just wanted to give you an alternative, and it's actually a cheaper alternative. You can get quite a few under $5 out of this, because you get a lot. You get 110 of those balls in the vase filler, 2 socks per $1, and then I believe there's 6 pieces, or 8. I think it's 8 pieces in this brush set. And then the only thing that didn't come from there is this, and this is from Joann Fabrics, and it cost me maybe $1. So yeah. I just thought that these were so adorable. You can use them as wreath accents. You can hang them on your tree. So yeah. The next thing I'm going to show you is this. And this is really simple and really beautiful and really trendy looking actually. So for this, all you're going to need is a pack of these Crafter Square chalkboard tags, and they come with the jute cord that you're going to need. I also have this Forever in Time metallic marker in white, and this package of little snowflake ornaments. So all I'm going to do is cut the snowflake ornament off of the cardboard. I'm going to get one of these. I'm going to get a piece of the jute, and I'm going to thread the jute through the snowflake, and then I'm going to come down here and thread it through this little tag here. And I'll just bring it up to a point and tie it off so we can hang it as an ornament. Oops, there we go. So there's that. And then if you got married this year or anything like that, you can write a cute little note up on the 2 heart humps. So all I'm gonna do is write Xmas and then 2019. And then you have a cute little customized ornament, and you can write names on here. You can write established 2019. You can write whoever, whatever. I just think it's really cute, and that snowflake really sticks out on this. So yeah. Now this third project is another super easy one. Clearly these are all really easy, under 5-minute crafts, but I think this one might be my favorite. So what you're going to need for this is some of this berry garland. It is from Dollar Tree. It comes in white, silver, gold, and red. I am guilty of buying all of it that my Dollar Tree carried. And then you're going to need some of these little twine balls. These are in the floral section. I used another one for something else, and I threw the package out like a goober, so I do not have the package for it, but I think it's just the Floral Garden brand, and there are 3 in a package. It comes in this natural color, and then it comes in this like jute color. You'll also need a little piece of jute twine. So all I'm going to do is string this jute twine through here, and we'll see if I can do this. Maybe a pair of tweezers would be best. I'm just going to string this through here and pull it out the other side and give this a quick little tie at the top. There we go. And then we'll take our berry garland, and I'm gonna hot glue this to the twine ball. When you start this, there is a good portion of it, as you can see up here, that does not have berry on it. So I'm gonna start a little bit of hot glue almost where the berry starts, and I'm gonna stick that portion that does not have berry inside, and all I'm going to do is wrap this around the twine ball, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of hot glue in a couple of places just to ensure that it does stay. And there is no right or wrong way to wrap this. It's just super rustic looking and very cute. So let me finish this up and cut this off, and I'll come back and show you. Alright, so everything is now finished. Here is this. Here's our little gnome made using a paintbrush. And then here are our sweet little snowflake ornaments, which are completely customizable. So I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you try some of these 5-minute, very affordable Dollar Tree ornaments. So thank you for watching.